Hello everyone, my name is Babak and I will talk about the role of circular economy and energy resources, their combined role in improving businesses. Well, as you're well aware, the sustainable and circular economy, in that sort of economy, waste and pollutions are reduced, materials are reused, regenerated, converted to other forms, recycled, and components are designed for reusability. Basically, most products go back to the supply chain. So, a lot of material resources are available with the circular economy, which is good for the economy itself. So, the business benefits, as you're well aware, business benefits of circular economy, they're basically the fact that the circular nature of this sort of economy increases material resources and positively impacts the economy. Also, there are a lot of business opportunities for implementing circular projects by specialists, and there will be a lot of business transactions between all sorts of businesses, between normal businesses and the businesses that implement circular projects. And also in terms of GDP, the percentage wise, the cost of implementing circular economy is way less than the cost of not implementing circular economy, which is the environmental mismanagement, loss of life, disruption of the ecosystem, and so forth. So all of these factors prove that circular economy has a lot of positive impact for businesses. Now, if more energy resources are diverse energy resources, more of them are developed and used on a massive scale, now what's going to happen? That will have an impact on their circular economy. How? Well, this increase in energy production and consumption increases the circular nature of materials in the circular economy. So this circular phenomenon that we have in the circular economy will happen at a higher rate. So which means that materials and energy resources will be uh, increased at a higher rate because of this increase in energy consumption. And when we have more energy and material resources, when we increase the rate of material energy resource production, this means we have a prolonged Pareto improvement in economy, a great enhancement to the economy. Now, how could energy help the circular economy? Increase in energy production help the circular economy in increasing this circular nature of it? Well, energy is needed to speed up the extraction, processing, distribution, and recycling, transferring of products and services in the circular economy. So the more energy you have, you can speed up this process: extraction, processing, distribution, recycling, and so forth. And basically, this we speed up the production of products and services in all stages of the supply chain by using more energy. And also, we speed up the chemical and physical reactions that are needed for all of this circular operations. A lot of reactions are needed to convert materials to other forms. And also, whenever we increase we develop energy resources and consume more energy, we are able to implement urban and rural projects and develop many industries like tourism, automation, manufacturing, trade, and transportation. So, again, by increasing energy and material resources, by the combined effect of circular economy and the increase in energy production, we have more financial transactions and improved government revenues in terms of sale transaction taxes, which means that there will be more government subsidies uh, that would help us to implement a lot of these types of projects. And again, all of these business transactions that occur because of the circular nature of the circular economy and the increase in energy production on a massive scale, that means that we have enhanced the economy and we have lowered the unemployment and poverty and the living condition for everyone. And businesses would definitely improve manyfold. So, in conclusion, we already know that the circular economy enhances the businesses because it increases material resources because of the circular nature. Material resources, because they're reused, so we have more material resources that are available. They're not being wasted. A major portion of the materials are recycled back in the supply chain. So therefore, we already have improved financial conditions by just having the circular economy. But we augment it by increasing the production of energy on a massive scale, diverse energy resources, sustainable and hydrocarbons, all sorts of energy resources and harvesting units, as long as we take care of the environmental issues. That increase in production increases the circularity, the recycling of products in the circular economy. So we have this high frequency of the circularity. That means that we can have more material and energy resources at a faster rate. And this will definitely impact the businesses and living conditions for everyone. And we have all sorts of financial transactions that are involved in the energy production and consumption, and on the circular nature of the businesses. A lot of transactions happening. And again, since we have a lot of transactions, there will be more government revenues in terms of sales transaction taxes, which will again help implement a lot of these projects. Many projects that some of the projects that initially they're subject to negative net present value discounting analysis, and government subsidy in incremental sense can be used to fund those projects, which would in turn will have a great impact on the economy and improvement in business transactions. And all of this phenomena happening all together, it improves the financial conditions of businesses manyfold. And so it is important to combine the circular economy with the increased energy production, diverse energy production on a massive scale, to see this great improvement in business conditions. Well, thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it.